In this lesson, you will learn how Amazon's return policy works, what the standard return window is for most products, and why this policy affects every seller who wants to sell on Amazon. Today I am going to explain Amazon's return policy and how it works in practical terms for sellers. Amazon's return policy applies to all sellers selling on Amazon, and every seller must agree to follow this policy before listing products or sending inventory to Amazon through fulfillment by Amazon. According to Amazon's return policy, if a buyer is not satisfied with the product they purchased or simply decides they no longer want it, they can usually return the product within about 30 days after delivery. This is the standard return window for most products sold on Amazon. Let me explain this clearly. When a buyer initiates a return, the item normally needs to be sent back through Amazon's return process. In many cases, the refund is issued after Amazon receives and processes the returned item. In some situations, Amazon may issue an advanced refund before the item arrives, depending on the circumstances and Amazon's internal policies. Another important thing beginners should understand is that the return window on Amazon is not decided by the seller's personal performance or complaint rate. Instead, it is mainly determined by Amazon's category rules and product type. For most products sold on Amazon, buyers receive a standard return window of about 30 days after delivery. However, some product categories have restricted returns or may not be eligible for returns at all. Examples include certain grocery items, digital goods, customized products, and some personal care items. In some situations, especially during major holiday shopping seasons, Amazon may temporarily extend the return window for customers beyond the normal period. For example, products purchased during November or December holiday promotions may sometimes be eligible for returns until the end of January. This is very important to understand as a seller. Returns are a normal part of doing business on Amazon, and every seller must learn how to manage and control their return rates effectively.